Hi, I'm Will Carconi from Cars on Demand. One of the most challenging problems to diagnose on vehicles today is vibration and balancing issues. With tighter tolerances and specifications creating improved ride qualities, vibration and balancing issues can be very troublesome to a vehicle owner when they occur. Cars on Demand's TR060-01 Vibration and Balancing Diagnosis introduces technicians to repair procedures on how to resolve these types of concerns. This lesson will include using standard diagnostic procedures, as well as introducing some of the new electronic diagnosing equipment that's available today. Through this course, participants will learn to understand vibrations and their transmission through the vehicle, confidently balance any wheel assembly, understand the concepts of straight tracking and match mounting, and diagnose wheel and tire related vibration concerns. We will demonstrate the proper procedure for ensuring the wheel assembly is correctly centered before attempting a balancing by using a collet gauge. Now, most OEM manufacturers are now recommending the use of these gauges to ensure proper balancing of the tire and wheel assemblies. We highlight match mounting of wheel and tires as well. Match mounting allows the heavy or high spot on the tire to be matched with the light or low spot on the rim. This will allow for a better wheel balance with less weight having to be used. Diagnosing vibration and balancing concerns can be very difficult and frustrating for both the customer and the technician. With the right training, solving these nuisances can create a customer for life. Our full vibration and balancing course, along with hundreds of other automotive related lessons, are available to Cars on Demand participants at carsondemand.com.